Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Nina eating ice cream on a hot day.
Let's start drawing.
First I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his little nose. He looks tired and exhausted. Then the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. I draw a drop of sweat on his face. Oh, he feels super warm today. I draw his body and his arms. Now let's draw Nina next to him. I start with her cute eyes. I draw her nose. She also looks very exhausted. I draw her face and her hair. She is wearing a funny hat. I draw a scoop of ice cream in a cone near her mouth. I think it's very hot on a sunny day. Ice cream is a good idea to cool off. I like this.
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I color Pocoyo. I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. For his mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color his clothes with this blue marker. Yellow. I color the drop of sweat light blue. Now let's color Nina. I use cream for her skin. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. Then I color her hair red. For her outfit, I use this green marker. Dark green. I color the ice cream with pink. I think the flavor is strawberry. And I use yellow for the cone. Finally, I add a little yellow to the background. So nice!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.